Hi, my name is Tiara and I'm going to show you how to use the Apple CarPlay in the 2021 Toyota Camry. The 2021 Toyota Camrys are also equipped with Android Auto, but today I'm going to show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. First, the cord must be connected to the vehicle. Then you plug the cord into your iPhone here. The phone is going to prompt you to allow the Apple CarPlay. You must press allow. And once you press allow, all your applications will show up on the screen for you. Once your phone is plugged in, you can use your Apple CarPlay to make phone calls, listen to music, use your Google Maps, and also text message assist. Every day I need my music, and one of my favorite features to use on Apple CarPlay is my Apple Music. Why pay for an integrated navigation system when you can use your favorite maps through Apple CarPlay? For example, you can use Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze. Texting and driving could be very dangerous, and you can also get a very big ticket. So with Apple CarPlay, they made it very convenient to use your voice text messages assist that you don't ever have to touch your phone to hear or say back a text message. Hey Siri, send a text message.
Who do you want to send it to?
To learn more about the 2021 Toyota Camry, please come see me, Tiara, at City Road Toyota. And remember, don't forget, it's better to buy in the Bronx.